All right. So for this live, we're going to be making this Illinois quarter into a size 12 thumb ring. First thing we're going to do is punch a hole right in the middle of it. What's up? Cool little center punch. Y'all tap the screen, please. We got 0 likes. Yeah, I had one. I had a quarter I made it into an arrowhead, but I sold it. It used to be up here. But yeah, everybody says it's illegal. So many TikTok lawyers out there, it's crazy. Right? Like, even if you read it word for word to somebody, they're still like, well, that's illegal. I feel your pain, bud. Most of the time, I just tell people about penny smashing machines. Just like, you know, penny smashing machines? They're all over the place. Let's see if I can get this to work. Pin this comment. Let's go. Boom. I've been trying to figure out how to do this right here for like way too long. I wouldn't recommend burning money. That doesn't seem like the best idea. If anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. If you've never seen me before, I'm a coin ring maker. I make coins into rings. Today we're working on an Illinois quarter. I'm going to make this into a size 12 coin ring. If you'd like to see more of my products, you can tap the gold chain at the bottom of the screen or the link on my profile. If you're enjoying this live, please make sure to tap the screen and hit the follow button. This one's cool. It's got stars all the way around it. I like it. I see the S's are silent. Now I know what you're talking about. Illinois. You know, snipe one of my rings? That would be pretty cool. There's no noise in Illinois. Yeah, Illinois is pretty quiet. Size 4 is the smallest I've pinned. Wow. That's pretty small. Impressive. Yeah, y'all got Lincoln. So the easiest way to get your ring size is visit a jewelry store and get size there, or visit a craft store, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, anything like that, and find yourself one of these. You can also get them on Amazon. They're pretty cheap, usually like $5 or $6, and they're highly accurate. There's lots of dumb ways to get your ring size on the internet. Those are the only two that I recommend. Yeah, no problem. If anybody else has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. It's going to take quite a bit of stretching to get up to a size 12. A little past the 12 and a half, so I'm going to stretch it just a little more. No 1/4 inch fudge. And we'll go down here and reduce it back to a size 12. Sometimes you gotta do a little back and forth on stretching and reducing to get just the right size. When I first started doing this, a lot of coin collectors came for me. They were pissed. But over time, I've won them over. Get that right at a size 12. Do it just a little more. We'll go take a look at it. Yeah. Year 2000 was a state quarter year, so there's 5 different designs they released that year. You can easily just Google them to see what states they made that year, and then just pick one that you like the design the best and order that one. Yeah, I saw that punched coin. I was like, wow, what? It's punched so small. What could that be? I must ask. It came out really nice though. Thick band, lots of.
Doesn't work. Come on, truck. I'm definitely waiting on you. What happened? Oh no. Calibrate. Why is it so loud? Because life is loud.
A 10% off coupon code. It's gonna work forever, and it doesn't matter what you get. You could spend $10, you could spend $1,000, you still save 10%. It's my little thank you for watching me here on TikTok. And let's take a look at our finished coin ring. It's an Illinois state quarter. Came out really, really nice. If anybody has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. Nice. All right, we'll set that aside and finish it up a little bit later. Thank you for your order, man. I do appreciate it. We're going to finish this bicentennial one off I was working on. So copper quarters are 25, 90% silver quarters are 100. I have quite a few other different types of coins that I work on. You can see all my prices by tapping the link on my profile or the gold chain at the bottom of the screen down here. Now we're going to do some tricky business. What up, Jack? So normally I would stretch this out on my ring stretcher, but because it's a bicentennial quarter, the thickness of the designs on each side make it stretch unevenly. Sterling is not on the website yet, but it will be soon. I took about a month off. So it is on the to-do list. So instead of using the ring stretcher, we're going to do this. Like it's a much more even ring. You don't get any weird waves in it or anything like that. Looks nice. Sterling silver is 92.5% silver. So far, I've only done one sterling silver round, and it's this really cool United Nations one. And I kind of held off on it because I can't find any more of these. So I want to find some sterling rounds that I can get a decent number of so more than one person can have the ring. So it won't just be a bunch of one-offs. But it did come out really cool. Yeah, it's a handy little trick right there. Yeah. So I've got a couple of other sterling rounds that I'd like to work on and add to the website. Definitely something I need to do. But it's just so much more fun to, make stuff than add listings to websites and take product photos. It's hard wearing all the hats sometimes. I need an assistant. Anybody want a job? Take product photos for me? I'm just kidding. So have many silver dollar ones I can see. Yeah. This is this one right here is a piece dollar. It's not polished up very good. This one's one I've worn quite a bit, but yours will come out looking a lot nicer. And then this is a Morgan silver dollar. And I really, really like these. So they look super cool whether it's heads out or tails out. They're all over 100 years old. It's a tough ring. It's got awesome designs on it. I highly recommend the Morgan. I think it's very cool. You have your wife do all the website stuff? Let me just finish up this bicentennial here. Reduce it down a little bit. It should be solid. Well, guys, if you haven't followed me yet, make sure to hit that follow button. If you ever shop at coinringmaker.com, make sure to use the coupon code WELCOME. It'll save you 10%. I'm going to go ahead and hop off here and let my phone charge a little bit and maybe actually do some website work. Still haven't made a Morgan? Ooh, they're so nice, man. I really, really like how they come out. Now, it's a tough coin, though. Like, you really got to use some elbow grease to get it to move. 90% silver is really strong compared to like copper or fine silver. It's a challenge, but man, they come out so pretty. I really like Morgan dollars. That came out really cute. Nice looking ring. Well, I wish you guys the best. I hope to catch you on the next live. Y'all have a good afternoon. If anybody has a question, I'll leave it open for about 30 seconds. You can pop a question in, maybe a nice comment. I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off here and let my phone charge because it is it's at like 3%. It is struggling. Yeah, get you some Morgans, man. They're well worth it. They're fun. All right, we'll catch y'all next time. Y'all have a great afternoon. Bye.